In this tutorial, I'll show you how to change your chart background to white in Tradingview for a cleaner and brighter workspace. Don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open Tradingview and load your chart. Once you're inside the chart screen, right-click anywhere on the chart area, not the side panels. From the menu that appears, click on Settings. This will open your chart customization panel. Now, go to the Canvas or Appearance tab depending on your layout. Look for the option labeled Background. Change the background type to solid if it's set to gradient. Then click on the color picker and choose white. You'll instantly see your chart background turn clean and bright. If you want an even clearer look, you can also adjust. Turn grid lines lighter or off for a minimal style. Change text and axis colors to dark for better contrast. Adjust candle colors so they stand out on the white background. Once you're happy, click OK to save your settings. That's it. Your Tradingview chart now has a clean white background, making it easier on the eyes and perfect for analysis or screenshots. Subscribe for more Tradingview tips and tutorials.